Hello, I'm Thomas from the I-Pi team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started and connected the I-Pi SMARC Elkhart Lake development kit, which is here next to me. So on your side, you need to prepare a couple of items, to be precise 6 items. So you need a monitor, HDMI cable, LAN cable, USB keyboard, USB mouse and USB camera. So we prepared here everything and we can get started. As you can see, the setup process is pretty straightforward. It takes only a couple of minutes. You can find more information about setup in the attached quick start guide or go to I-Pi support pages where there is more detailed information. And please follow us on social media, YouTube, Twitter, and in the description below you can find also the link to the I-Pi shop where you can buy the kit. So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.